Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what is by class in Selenium WebDriver? By is a predefined class in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, it's one of the predefined classes in Selenium WebDriver. And this by class, that is by predefined class, contains some predefined methods, which are all static methods. You can directly call these methods of this by class using the class name, that is by.id, you can say. Okay, by.name, by.class name, by.link text, by.css selector, by.xpath, by.tag name, and so on. Okay, all these are static methods of the by class. Based on the locator you want to provide in your Selenium automation script for helping it in finding the element, that particular method you have to use. For example, if you have to help Selenium in finding an element with the help of ID locator, use ID predefined method with the by class, by.id. If you have XPath locator for helping Selenium in finding the element on the web page, use by.xpath, like that and so on. Okay. So this by class, along with its predefined method and the locator, will be provided as an argument to the find element or find elements Selenium WebDriver commands. Inside this find element and find elements command, we are going to pass this by dot predefined method along with the locator. Okay, locator, whatever the ID locator or whatever the locator you want to pass in this XPath, that along with the by class will be provided as an argument in this find element and find elements commands. So just to conclude, by is a predefined class in Selenium WebDriver having this kind of predefined methods, and it plays good role in locating the elements on the web page. Okay, it will help Selenium in finding the locators or elements on the web page. Let me practically demonstrate so that you will get a clear-cut idea what is by class in Selenium WebDriver. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Selenium automation code for opening the Chrome browser, then maximizing the browser. And here we are going to open the application URL. The application URL is, let me open this application URL in the browser like this. Open this URL. In the sample browser, say Chrome browser, this is a sample application. Here we have a text area field. Let's say I want to locate this text area field. I want to help Selenium, okay, with the help of locator in finding this text area field on this web page. For that, I'll inspect this text area field. And here, if I look at the HTML code of this text area field, it has an ID with attribute value. I'll copy this value of this ID attribute, and here I'll write down driver dot find element. Okay, you can either use find element or find elements. Okay, if you have multiple elements to be located, you will use find elements. If you have single element, then find element. Then by dot ID. Okay, because this element has ID locator, copy this and in double quotes, paste it here. Now say dot send keys. This is a Selenium command anyhow. You see, here by is a predefined class in Selenium WebDriver having some static predefined methods like ID name. Based on the locator type, you have to use this predefined method. Since we have the ID locator type here for helping Selenium in finding the element on the web page, we are using the ID predefined method of the by class. Okay, this one is being passed as an argument to the either find element or find elements command. And once this element is located, then we will perform the operations on the element like send keys, etc., etc. Okay, in send keys, I'll just enter my name, let's say Arun Motori. Okay, my name will be typed into the text area field now. Okay, hope you have got some idea what is a by predefined class in Selenium. Okay, you see over the mouse, you see it is from Selenium library, and this is a static method of this by class. That's why you are directly accessing the ID method using class name like by.id. It's one of the static predefined method of the by class. Okay, to this you have to pass a locator type. Okay, so if you are giving ID means ID locator you have to pass. If you are saying by.name means your name locator you have to pass. If you say by.xpath means xpath locator you have to pass, and so on. Now run this code, right click, run as Java application. You'll open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser, and it will open the application URL in the browser. In a while, just wait, the script is running now. First it will open the Chrome browser. Then it's going to maximize the browser. Then you see, it has typed my name into the text area field because Okay, we gave send keys command here, and we have located the element with this, and by.id has played a role in locating the element in the on the web page. Okay, so hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.